Nokia to the moon. $50 a share? Maybe. In this video, we're gonna talk about Nokia stock again. I'll give my price prediction for Nokia in the coming week and in 2021. Also, we're gonna discuss some latest news for Nokia stock and what do they mean for the company. My name is Elia, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to click the like button and comment down below. YouTube likes that. Alright, let's talk about Nokia. We all know that Nokia is a great company. I actually made a video about Nokia, AMC and all short squeeze stocks. But today I want to talk about the price prediction for the company. Nokia as a company doing pretty good. Their 5G and 6G systems are all over the world and they have a lot of contracts with companies, they have contracts with governments, they have a lot of contracts everywhere. Even in China, which is the 5G niche is pretty big and a lot of companies are there like Huawei and other, they still have contracts there. So they're doing pretty good. The coronavirus doesn't really bother them because 5G network is a network of the future. We all gonna rely on a 5G networks, all electric car, auto driving cars, our internet, so everything will be on 5G. It's kind of hard to predict the price for the coming week and for 2021 because of a short squeeze, because of the hype right now on Wall Street bets, in internet, on all over the news, all over the celebrity social medias. So I'll give two predictions. One prediction for Nokia stock as a company, like a regular Nokia stock. Let's be honest, 1 year ago you probably didn't even hear about the stock or you just forgot about it. So I'm gonna talk about prediction for a regular company and also we'll talk about prediction as a hype company because the hype is huge around this company. I read a lot of information online and on lowest in 2021 the price prediction for Nokia is around $4.50 with some change. Well, the highest 52 weeks point for Nokia stock is $5 before the last week when it hit $7 and even $7.50. So Nokia been trading around $4 or $5 for a while now, and $4.50 prediction for 2021 with all these contracts with 5G. It's kind of crazy and I think it's a little bit low. Well, as we all know, analysts usually lowball the numbers, so it just look good. The highest prediction for Nokia stock is $6. To be honest, in my opinion, I think that I'm not an analytic, I'm not a professional investor. Don't listen to me, don't take my advice on this. This is just my opinion. So in my opinion, in 2021, the Nokia would hit 6.5 to 7. So I say that I agree with high analytics on a higher point. Well, now let's talk about hype Nokia. Well, as we all know, short squeeze happened because this GameStop, AMC stocks were shorted more than they actually had shares. Well, it's actually GameStop. AMC wasn't shorted that bad, still 60-70% of short position, but not that bad. GameStop was shorted for over 100%, so they shorted more shares than exists. With Nokia, the short positions are not that big, so the short squeeze is not happening at all, and the price driving up only because of the hype in the internet, the hype in Wall Street, TikTok, Instagram, and celebrity is pumping it up. To be honest, we almost hit $8 on Thursday, actually on Wednesday, before all this Robinhood and canceling trading started. So I would say when the coming week Nokia will see $8 at least, maybe by the end of the week, and most likely somewhere in February Nokia will hit the $10. Like I said, it's just my opinion, don't listen to me. I'm not an analyst and I'm not a professional financial advisor. And by the way, click that like button and subscribe. Thank you guys, you will help me a lot. So like I said, by the end of the next week, I'm pretty sure Nokia will hit $10 and higher because the hype is very, very high. Everybody's talking about it. Dave Portnoy and other people are talking about pumping it up. Wall Street, everything is about Nokia. I feel like GameStop short squeeze theme is kind of lowering down, and now AMC and Nokia is number one topic everywhere. So as a company with the hype, Nokia will definitely hit $10 next week, which is the first week of February. This is my prediction. Like I said, I do have a pretty good position. Unfortunately, I bought it very high. I bought Nokia stock at 6.8 cents, $6.80, I think, and then it hit 7.5, and I bought even more, and then the Robinhood stuff happened on Thursday and it tanked to $4. But guess what? I didn't sell. Diamond hands, guys. I just bought more. I bought options. I bought stocks. So I'm pretty good in Nokia. I believe in the company, and like I said, they do make money. Their cash flow is $1.5 billion, and they say they might exceed $2 billion in 2021, and they do have a lot of cash on hands too. If analysts predicted $7 in 2021, $6.5, $7, and without a hype, and right now Nokia is number one hype stock, I bet it will hit $10 at least. Well, back in the days, Nokia cost $50. $50, and it went down to $3. This is crazy, right? From 50 till 2. Well, it's not Tesla. Tesla is going just up. Nokia unfortunately went down, but I feel like 2021 will be Nokia stock, and the price will go up like crazy. You'll hit $10, and then we have to see the volume, we have to see the hype, because what can happen, a lot of people who bought in at $3, $4, they can sell at $10, so they make some money, so they lock their profits, and we have to see. The first alert will be at $7. If it hits $7, it will go up to $8, and if it's $8, it definitely will hit $10 by the end of the next week. But we're gonna see. Now I want to talk about Nokia stocks, and I want to tell you the new news that just came out a couple of days ago, and I just want to show you that Nokia is actually working, and they are the top company in their very specific niche, which is 5G and 6Gs. I'm gonna read it right now from my laptop because I can't remember everything. So, and the first news is Nokia is selected for US federal 5G cybersecurity project. Well, as we all know, United States government loves to spend a lot of money. And something like cybersecurity is very important for the US and very important for any government in the world. And if United States government chosen Nokia as a number one cybersecurity partner in 5G systems, that tells something, right? So a lot of money will come to Nokia. It's a long-term contract, and I bet a lot of countries around the world, so they will start hiring Nokia company for their cybersecurity, and this is a good sign. So the cash flow will go up, orders will go up, and Nokia stock will go up to the moon. The second news, Google Cloud and Nokia partners to accelerate cloud native 5G. That's awesome. As we all know, Google with their services is one of the biggest companies in the world, and they have a lot of things going on. Probably every single business, every single online business in this world somehow will use Google product. Nokia 5G partnering with Google, it's a huge sign for a lot of orders, for a good long-term contract, and a lot of money. And as we all know, Google is a growth company, so most likely Nokia will keep growing with them and will help them out building 5G systems. The third news is that Nokia supports T-Mobile 5G evolution. T-Mobile, after they merged with Sprint, now they are the number one, the biggest company with the biggest coverage in the United States and one of the biggest companies in the world. And contract with Nokia for their 5G systems This is something crazy because the contract is so huge, it's nationwide, and I'm pretty sure they're probably going to build it something in other countries. Nokia has a lot of contracts around the world with the United States government, with Google, with T-Mobile, so their cash flow will keep rising up. Most likely they'll start getting bigger and bigger, and 5G just started. Just turn 5G on your phone. It's not that great, the coverage is very small, so Nokia has a lot of opportunity to pump their business, to start making that money again like back in the days. And like I said, they're number one company in the world, in my opinion, in 5G sector, so they're gonna have a lot of work to do, and I hope this will drive their price up much higher than analysts expected, $6.5, $7. I just want to remind you. And the last and very important news is that Nokia made a deal with Saudi Arabia, so they're gonna do the 5G and Wi-Fi 6 in offices and homes everywhere in the kingdom. Come on, this is crazy, guys. And as we all know, Saudi Arabia have a lot of money, and they like the best cars, the best houses, the best network, and guess what else? The best companies. They don't want to waste their money. They definitely will hire the best on the market. And if Saudi Arabia Kingdom hired Nokia, they're definitely gonna do the best job, and they're gonna pay the max for the best quality products. So this deal probably will bring a lot of money to Nokia, and like I said, it will bump the price up. 2021 seems like a very busy year for Nokia, and it will definitely drive the price up. So good luck, guys. Just load it up on Nokia, and like I said, short squeeze is not happening, but on a long term and on a hype note, it will definitely go up. That's it, guys. This is my opinion about Nokia, and like I said, I'm in, and diamond hands holding them. All right, click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you soon, guys. Also, comment down below your opinion about this stock and what are you holding and what are you betting on in 2021. Take care.